Yo, man, this is SKI and we back with another video, bro. Y'all don't know, but I just got off my little money establishment, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm hyped, bro, I'm geek, I'm through the roof, bro. Like, God is good, the universe is good, bro, everything is good, bro. Listen, all I'm gonna say, first thing I'm gonna say, actually, if you don't believe in nothing, you better start believing in something. It don't matter what it is, but you better start believing in something that's righteous. Not all this foo-foo shit, you feel me? Yeah, but I'm gonna go to the dealership right now and I'm gonna get back to y'all, bro. Bro, y'all don't even know, bro. Y'all don't even know, bro. Like, y'all not finna expect this shit, man. Y'all not finna expect it. But dealership down the street, so I'm gonna hit back to y'all in like 5 minutes. Yo, man, it's SKI and we back. It's the next day though, man. The next day, because the dealership was closed, man. I'm gonna just spoil it. The dealership was closed. But as you can see, we got old Beamer in the back. Old Beamer in the back. Old Beamer in the back. oh, bro. I ain't gonna do it no more though, but nah, I ain't gonna do it. But I'm finna show y'all though. Don't chill. But you can't even see it right now. Chill. Calm. I'm experiencing this with y'all, bro. Like, I can't even, you feel me? I can't believe it right now. But hey, first before I show y'all, I'm gonna just say, if you don't listen. I don't care what you believe in, bro. Believe in something, bro. There is a higher power, bro. There is, bro. Believe in something, okay? That's all I'm gonna say, bro. Because I know the Lord blessed me, bro. He gave me a sign, and I took it, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Bro. Believe in something, bro. So look, it's dark right now, though. But come on. If you know, you know, bro. You come on now. Come on. If you know, you know. I'm finna get y'all a little POV drive. This first night with it, gang. First night with it. I just got it. Literally, I just got it today. First night with it. I can't even flip it. Hold on. Like, come on. You see that. Like, you see that. Like I said, I'm just finna get out a little POV drive. I'm finna go to Walmart real quick. I need to Walmart. Get some shit. Get like one thing. But chase your dreams, bro. If you want it and you can do it, go do it, bro. Go do it, bro. Like, go do it, bro. Go do it. No bap. It's just regular mode. Let me put that in. Hold on, let me switch it so y'all can see this, bro. Cause it's so hard, bro. Look. Put that M mode on. I hope y'all can see that. Put that M mode on. That thing pop up. I would do some pops, but yeah. I'm gonna wait. Maybe 12 y'all over here. They be so thirsty. I gotta learn how to shift. I gotta learn for real. Then, cause like I was just doing it. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna break this. I ain't gonna break this. But I gotta learn. So my shit crispy. I need that crispy. See, like that was crispy. The only problem is 12 be all over here, bro. Like I can't even tee up for they be all over here. This car so big, bro. I did not need this big ass car, but I got it. So it'll be all up there. Only because it's a school right there. They be on it. I gotta change it from red, man. Like, I have to. Understand it, but like it's that last one was too fast though, for sure. That last one was too fast, for sure. Though I don't understand like why cruise. Well, I do understand, but like, you feel me? I don't know. Like just cruising 6. Boom. Boom. See, so quick. Boom. 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 What? At 5 to go to 1, see, like, oh my god, that's so weird. I gotta watch a video, bro. I have to, bro. Like, I just have to, bro. I have to. Oh my god. Okay. I be tweaking it. I be tweaking. I can't drive it like that. I can't. Fuck my shit up. I'm gonna overfuck my shit up. Even though that 15-day warranty, but that shit, man, I don't even want to go through that, gang. I really don't. I want this bitch to be carefree, gang. I'm gonna take good care of this bitch, brother. Good care of this bitch, brother. I promise you. Can I park right here? That's fine. Shut up. She like this shit, man. Somebody. Anybody know? Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Alright, I'm finna go get some real quick, and I'll be back out. Bro. Alright, we back. Let's get up out of here. Damn. Yeah, I'm just saying, that's how I be driving the off any scene. Just like that, I ain't gonna bap to you. We skirt off any scene. Jakes can't even. Nah, let me not say too much. Let me not say too much. Where we going? How we going? Where we going? Drive accordingly. Oh, my lights ain't on. Are they hating? They hating. See, like I gotta get all the way up there to hit that bitch. Like, hell no. I gotta learn, bro. I gotta learn, bro. I gotta learn, please. It's cool though. Next time, bro, I'm watching a video tonight. Bro, I'm watching that bitch tonight. Jakes get on my ass. I'm just showing him you can't pass me, little brethren. Can't pass me, little brethren. Look at them, they up there. I see him. Listen to the left. I don't know if y'all can see. They up there. Oh no, it's a car. See, like, I just gotta keep it up, yeah. Nothing else. Nothing else. I do one more though. Just cause I can. I got the brakes and I got the speed. We're gonna get over there. Showing what that M power like. Hit my shit. I dare you. Gonna be on me too. I'm gonna get a brand new M on for them. My fault, truck. I ain't gonna hit you. Just driving this. You did, man. See, I need a, I don't know, like, I really don't need to do nothing, but like, feel me, I want to hear that bit because it sounds so good. gonna lie. I think that's 12. I'm just gonna switch low. I ain't taking no chances, bro. This car too. This car red, bro. Bright red, bro. Like, nah, please. Catch me another time. Alright, let me chill. Let me chill. This neighborhood. Let me chill. Let me chill. I'm trying to wake their ass up. Phone number 80. I don't even know how to get back to the main. Bus Yooooo. Bus Yooooo. Had to turn around. I got Rackies. Don't you play with me. Woo! It ain't even big. It ain't even big. We pulling off like that. Nope. Chill. This neighbor. Get the fuck out of here. They're gonna call 12. But I used to walk, shorty. I used to walk all the way down there. All the way down there to my school, shorty. 30-minute little walk, gang. Now I'm driving an M. The M where I used to walk. Come on now. Only up. Only up. Yeah. Alright though. That was the drive. I'm tired, bro. I'm finna go to sleep. I appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that tune in to watch me. You know that. Stay tuned. More coming. SKI out.